that number one ping, Kiwi? I almost went there fucking it. I was like, oh, there's a ping.
Did you throw that?
Yeah, that's mine. People.
No, by.
Oh shit, I see someone on that second floor of that building right there.
Hey, he was from here.
Oh my god, this guy's breathing so hard.
That's up.
Guy right
You
here.
heard that?
Oh my
This guy
god.
right here.
Nice.
Top of this roof.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Where's this guy?
He's
Top of
breathing.
the roof. There's one on top of the roof right there. Right there.
Enemy UAV overhead.
There's a guy in my building.
Careful, duo.
Alright.
Kiwi, careful. There's two
Yeah,
guys.
yeah, they're pushing up to me.
Yeah, they're pushing up to you. There's one here. Two guys now in here.
I can't hear anything because he's breathing so hard.
Yeah, I'm good there.
There's one guy here.
Why do you say that?
Say what?
What?
Oh my god, he's breathing.
2 safes remaining.
How does he breathe?
Like Darth Vader. It's
Okay,
like Darth
Astro.
Vader's coming in, dude. He's still
I think
doing
that was
it,
all of
dude.
them. I'm not sure though.
Do you hear this, Jelly? Or are you too far?
I'm so far, but I have.
Oh my god, it's so loud.
1 safe remaining.
Tell them not to take that.
Yo,
that much
yo,
off.
yo, icy life, bro.
Leave for the rest of us.
Fucking cat.
Quit breathing into your fucking mic, bro. I'm worried for you.
Breathe louder.
I'm worried for you, bro.
His
Yo,
teammate
is there a
just
guy on you,
stopped
Green?
breathing so hard.
Yeah. My guy, leave some
Alright, bro.
oxygen
How's
for the rest of us.
the mic close to my mouth?
Viper, Viper.
What?
Satchel,
Yeah,
satchel. Close.
They're not moving.
Tell them to stop breathing. Stop taking all the air.
Oh my god.
There.
No,
No.
that's a lot. That's a lot. No, that's a lot. Kiwi.
Yeah,
They're
there's
on me.
3. Do you hear him breathing?
I'm over here, Mom.
Easy.
Part of your team is outside the safe zone.
Icy guy.
Fucking like Kiwi's
Darth
just laughing
Vader,
his
is that
ass
you?
off.
I can't- Yo, he was breathing so hard. And then finally his team is like, yo, I'm worried about you.
That's a good teammate for you, man. Motherfucker's breathing so fucking weird and shit.